Don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Makezi 1. I'm joined by Umzegezege.
Yebo, injasekas. Sibo. My friends, nan ma bu cameraman. Ngithanda ukunibonga.
Yeah.
Isizini iphelile.
Yeah.
The guy usukela. Uthe ucelani? Let's protect ama families in. Abo mama.
Yeah.
Ama families ethu ezindlini. Isikhathi sethu ke manje. Dala siza la eOrlando. Siyayidela manikeza ama allowance. Let's try to protect them. Sibe happy. We tried our season manje ivalile. Yeah. And
next season
Puthi siyeza ku. Siyeza lapho. Ungasijami. Namhlanje sijabulile bafethu. Abafana ukuthi badlalile. Badlalile. And we are happy all the season yonke. Noma ngabe the coach incikazi uthatha waqedelela kodwa si happy. They pushed. Sawathatha amakhokhomeloni sidlalisile MDC. Asimnikezeni uSipho, goalkeeper of the season. He fight for the team.
Njengoba vuma.
Yabona uyaphila lapha. Right, Sibo asibi. Esa mamela Sibo kunjani uyayicala into yakho nalashusho nje uzobulelisa abantu ngenduku kunabantu abakunamba 9 manje uyabona manje ama-question akho sifuna ukususa asifuni kuya deep mina ngicela amapaniya let's protect Escotini even our next season the support that we have this season ayibe njalo next season ngiyanicela bafethu asipusheni i-team yethu le fight for the patch Sibo sikhuzile last uchairman ukhulumile nawe last wathi ungazi uphi ungazi FNB hamba kuphi uye Pitori uyahlala le wena wayapi wa FNB wabuyela ishazi uyayibona